In this brief tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of resolving Temu issues caused by suspicious activity. If you've encountered difficulties accessing Temu due to suspicious activity, fret not, as I'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue. Firstly, navigate to Google and search for Temu. Then, proceed to temu.edu. Once on the website, log into your Temu account. After successfully logging in, locate and click on your account. This action will direct you to your account page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Security and click on it. Within the account security settings, ensure that you enable two-factor authentication for added security. Additionally, make sure to set a strong password and include a mobile phone number for account recovery purposes. Once you've completed these steps, your Temu account will be fully secured, and you shouldn't encounter any further issues related to suspicious activity. That's all there is to it. By following these simple instructions, you can effectively resolve Temu access problems stemming from suspicious activity.